So I play this game. And for like 4 million years, I'm stuck in this town called Hollow Bastion. And I'm not even the main character. I'm Roxas. The main character's Sora. And I keep having dreams about the main character. Now Tony Soprano's in a coma. There's no instant gratification. I'm getting a little bored. But my friends are like, keep playing. Keep playing. Eventually Disney characters are coming out of every orifice. It's awesome. Just stick with it. So I do, and I go to the bulletin board, and I look at all the jobs, and I do all the errands, and I get enough money to buy a train ticket to get on the dope-ass Disney train to go to the fun fucking part of the game. That's bullshit. It took me like 4 years. I didn't see so much as a Sebastian the Crab for like 100 millennia. Meanwhile, you're playing Resident Evil 4, and it's like, bitch, zombies coming up the hill right now. Shoot him in the head. Shoot him. Grab the shotgun. You don't need to load it. We did that shit for you. What are you pressing select for? You don't have time to make a profile. Bitch, zombies in the room. His axe is on fire. He killed your parents. Shoot him in the head. Shoot him in the head. And then you go back to Kingdom Hearts 2, and it's all these really lame cutscenes. They're in the back alley. It's all anime bullshit with their hands on their hips. And they're like, man, I hope we solve this mystery. And nothing happens. Meanwhile, you go back to Resident Evil 4, it's like, bitch, this ain't a cutscene, press A! Press A! You don't have time to smoke a bowl. You're still playing. Jump, Gypsy! Come on, jump! President's daughter's been kidnapped. It's up to us.